Motorcycles for Beginners, the ultimate guide. BMW G310R. For those entering the world of motorcycling, the BMW G310R is an outstanding entry-level bike that combines premium design, approachable performance, and practicality. As BMW Motorrad's answer to beginner riders seeking a reliable, easy-to-handle motorcycle, the G310R offers an exciting way to learn while enjoying the prestige of the BMW brand. Engine and performance. The BMW G310R is powered by a 313 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. This compact engine is designed to provide smooth, predictable power delivery, making it ideal for beginners. With a maximum speed of about 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour, it's fast enough for highway use but remains easy to control in city traffic or on winding roads. The bike's 6-speed gearbox ensures seamless gear changes, and its light clutch operation further simplifies riding for newcomers. Weighing just 158.5 kilograms, 350 pounds, the G310R is lightweight and nimble, allowing new riders to maneuver effortlessly in tight spots or while navigating through traffic. Its well-tuned throttle response and forgiving nature give beginners the confidence to grow their skills at their own pace. Comfort and ergonomics. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the G310R features an upright and neutral seating position that reduces fatigue during long rides. The handlebars are positioned to keep the rider in a natural stance, while the moderately padded seat provides good support for extended journeys. The bike's low seat height of 785 mm (30.9 inches) makes it accessible to riders of various heights, offering stability and confidence when stopping or maneuvering at low speeds. The suspension system, featuring a 41 mm upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock, delivers a smooth ride over uneven surfaces, ensuring both comfort and control. Features and technology. The BMW G310R comes equipped with modern features to enhance the beginner riding experience. LED lighting, the full LED headlight, taillight, and turn signals ensure excellent visibility and give the bike a contemporary look. ABS braking system, standard anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, adds an essential layer of safety, preventing wheel lockup during sudden or hard braking. Digital display, the easy-to-read LCD instrument cluster provides all the key information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. Why it stands out. The BMW G310R's blend of lightweight agility, premium build quality, and user-friendly features makes it an exceptional choice for beginner riders. Its compact size and forgiving nature help new motorcyclists build their skills with confidence, while its sporty performance and sleek design ensure the journey is always exciting. Whether commuting in the city or exploring scenic routes, the G310R offers the perfect stepping stone into the world of motorcycling, all while wearing the iconic BMW badge.